Tank Tank 300 Predator Front Bumper Installation Guide. Install the radar and brackets in this order. Pay attention to adjusting the position and orientation of the brackets. Connect the power supply for the front bumper lights. Total of 4 radars. Remove the original front bumper. Remove the crash beam bracket. Install the winch bracket. Adjust the position properly. Connect the wiring harness. Install the Fanjo front bumper onto the vehicle. Install screws and nuts inside to fix with the winch bracket. 3 on each side, total of 6. Install the winch cover. Install the license plate bracket. The right lower guard has 2 versions, with water tank and without water tank. Please select and install accordingly. Pay attention to the overlapping relationship of the side guards. Tighten the screws. The left guard is installed in the same manner. Install clip nuts on the lower guard. Pay attention to the orientation. Install clip nuts at this position as well. Install the lower guard onto the vehicle. Pay attention to the overlapping relationship. Tighten all screws. Reinstall the wheel arch clips. This completes the installation guide. Thank you for choosing Tank300.